Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the Sorpresine.
I'm Maribel from Taste of Italy, and I hope you enjoy my video today.
Sorpresine literally means little surprises. This is a very popular shape throughout Emilia-Romagna where egg pasta dough is king. At the end of this video, you'll find a summary of all the tips and tricks I'll be telling you in 2 seconds. The first thing you want to do is roll your dough very thin and cover your pasta sheet with plastic so it doesn't dry out. Then you cut it with either a special rolling pin or with a knife. I like to use my fingers as a measuring tool. I cut the squares into 4 centimeter squares or 1.5 inch squares. And using your fingers as a measuring tool, the squares can be a little bit smaller or a little bit larger. Just make sure that they're smallish because pasta gets larger as it cooks. Have the opposite ends meet above and pinch to seal, and another set meets below and we pinch to seal. All these folds create space for your sauce to hide in, and thus you may find some surprises. I'm going to show you another little trick to make sure that these sorpresine are really full of surprises for you. So watch this, and now you push down a little bit, and that rounds out your sorpresine, your little pasta shape, so that more sauce will go in all those different folds. Let's watch that again up close.
When your meat sauce or your chunky sauce goes in there, you really can't tell whether there's filling in there or not. It feels like there's filling, but it's actually just food that slipped in there. Okay. These are beautiful. Just fun to make. Kids love to make them. They're very easy compared to tortellini and other shapes. No tools required, only the ability to make a straight line. Make a straight line with your knife to cut these squares, or use a rolling pin such as the one, oops, I didn't realize you couldn't see it, such as this. Oh, this was here in case these ends didn't stick. For example, let me show you. You don't want to spray the whole thing because otherwise it gets all sticky and gluey. So what you want to do is you just dip your finger and get the opposite ends, these two guys together. Press like that. Now you can turn around and press again. If you had sprayed the whole thing, the inside would stick to the inside of the other side. Okay, these two sides would stick together.
Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure you check out my different playlists for sauces, other pasta shapes, and even how to roll out pasta with a pasta machine. Buon appetito! See you at my next video.